Michael Galiega from Barangay Matahimik. Boses sa Tanison, mga kabarangay. Pak na first 2 points pocket. Unang 2 puntos na serving mula dito kay Jersey. 8 saglit yung natitira sa ating shot clock. Napakaganda to dahil galing sa panalo yung Manalo at galing sa taling lukbuhan. Good for 2 points by number 13, De La Cruz. Yung team, kick out, number 21, the 3-pointer. Hindi papasok yung bamot mula sa 3-point territory, but second serving, number 61, good for 2 points by Camilo Cruz. Maganda yung pagkat na ginawa nitong De La Cruz, hindi lang naging maganda yung kanyang finishing touch. But speaking of finishing touch, yun ang mga finishing touch courtesy of Bullet Jersey number 2, Pireras. Isa sa mga basato, 5 puntos itong nasa team ng White, shot clock down to 8. 14 na Barangay Manalo, shot clock down to 5. Kakalabugin yung defender, De La Cruz puts it up for 2 points, nothing but net by De La Cruz. Dahil sila po'y pinagpag na po ng isang malupit na pagkatalo laban sa team ng Salvacion. Good for 2 points, Sarsa Diaz, number 21. Dalawang free throws para kay Batangas, number 13, De La Cruz. The first free throw by De La Cruz, number 30. That's in the final free throw by Warning Jersey, number 30. Let's take a look kung babasket. That's in the final free throw. Yes, sir. Good for 2 points by De La Cruz. At speaking of biyahe, maantala yung biyahe nitong Cabildo dahil nabitawan yung bola. Taking the ball by the other side. In Ferreras, jumper for 2-pointer. Yes, sir. Isang bukas na pagbuta ka barangay, mga kaibigan ng Manalo na patuloy pa rin lumalamang. Valderrama drives. Valderrama knocks it in for 2 points. In the 2 points pocket by Valderrama. 11-8. 3 puntos ang kalamangan. Sasagasa ang Lubigas. In outside jumper number 28. Bunbon. Bang! 3 points. Ang ganda clock. 10 seconds to go. Cabildo may tanga ng bola. Shot clock is no. Shot clock down to 7. Bang! Good for 2 points by Cabildo. 2 seconds to go. Makakarap kasama si Alvarez, Valderrama at itong Lubigas. Yan po yung magiging kalaban. Shot clock down to 6. Outside jumper for 3-pointer. Come up short. De La Cruz puts it up for 2 points. Galing ng galawan na yun. Isang patihulog ng bola with a 4 puntos ang patuloy pong lamang ng mga taga-barangay nitong Manalo laban sa pinalukbuhan. Kalampagan sa ere. And a jumper for 2-pointer coming. Not good. But a power putback. Good for 2 points. Hindi man naging good against their team. In favor by only 2 points yung team Barangay Manalo. Shot clock is down to 8. Outside jumper. Bang! 3 points. In the 3 points story, pero bitin yung pambon from the top of the window. Nagmamadali ngayon may tahan ng buko. Lili para ng bunbon. Jumper for 2 points. Rescued and basketball count by number 8, Bastian. Yung kalamangan ng mga taga-barangay po ng Manalo. Shot lock down to 6 for Lukbuan. Bunbon, shot lock down to 3. May tahan ng bola. Jumper. Bago tumunog yung game player of the game. Unconnected jumper, but Ferrares, jumper for 2 points. Yes, sir! In the 2 points pocket by Ferreras, 7th quarter. Ferreras out inside, going for Lubigas. Get the 2 points at may ara, pang foul. Good for 2 points and foul against Warning Jersey. 1 minute and 12 seconds to go para sa ating second quarter. Ferreras, swing, 2 points in. Para sa ating ikalong yung na paglalaro, mabibitiwin yung bola, stall niya yung jumper, wala pa rin yung muling pagtira nitong Obieda. We have only 2 seconds remaining. Good for 2 points. Agawan buko from download. De La Cruz will cover that ball. Talad number 19. At that po pwesto, stepping out in a 3-pointer. Masyadong malayo. Kalaboso yung tiradang talan. May taga-rescue. Bingo! Good for 2 points. Mintis Manjas na ofensiba itong Lubigas kaya hindi kumonekta. And De La Cruz going for Valencia. Bustamante, pambiting tira. Good for 2 points. Marami pong piyesa na wala ngayong gabi. 14 na lukbuang naglalaro. Yung mga piyesang pa ilan-ilan lamang po yung naglalaro for this evening. Bakbakan, Bonbon! Bang! 3 points! In the 3 dito ngayon para sumuporta sa ating second Kabarangay Basketball Cup. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 3 seconds to go. Jumper for 2-pointer. Yes, sir! Ihinarabas yung malaking galamalo. Yung pinadala para sa giyarang to 14 ng Barangay Lukbuan. In good combination, assisted by Bulbon. Good for 2 points by Ferreira. Points for the third period ng ating bakbakan. Ang basketball action na to rin sa atin ng ating attorney Gil Acosta Jr. Bata jumper, De La Cruz number. Yung unang appearance, yung proyekto niya ay depensa lang para sa tropa ng kanyang mga manlalarong players for Team Runner ng Barangay Manalo. Good for 2 was jersey number 1. In the 2 points pocket and cross-court pass. Valencia may tahan na bola, nakitang bukas, number 61, Cabildo puts it up for 2 points again. And a penalty situation. First free throw, good for 1 by Ferreras, wearing jersey number 2 of Parehong nasa 32 sa magkabilang team for this third period of basketball action. At lalamang na naman ang lukbuan by only 1 point. Let's go. 5, 3 seconds remaining. Outside number 3! Batang De La Cruz, yung last night na Pinoy Workers Party List player of the game. Oh! Saan ka punta? To the moon! Dahil kay LJ, napa-road trip itong Ferreras, mga kaibigan sa ating 40 na parang. Our official score, 35 all, with 7 minutes and 11 seconds to go for the last and the final quarter. Good for 2 points! Tatlong games tayo bukas, kaya hindi kayo mabibitin mga kaibigan bukas sa ating pong basketball action. Yes sir! Good for 2 points! The Filipino step and Valencia iikot yung bola, shot clock down to 10. And outside jumper mula sa siko ng free throw, kaboom! Good for 2 points by De La Cruz! Muling nabubuhay at binibigyan ng saysay yung kanyang kupunan. Kay Manalo mga kaibigan, the maker, De La Cruz number 13, the Pinoy Workers jumper, basketball count again! Hindi man yan tinatawag na LeBron James ng Barangay Manalo. Quarter. Jumper, good for 2 points by Bonbon. Muling may pambol. Ito sa mga taga-Barangay Lukbuan, laban sa team ng mga taga-Barangay Manalo. For Barangay Manalo, may konting shoot sa switch pa. Good for 2 points. Oh, Beda! In your 4 minutes and 25 seconds to go. Valderrama, good for 2 points. 43. Shot block down to 10. Perimeter J, lugod by De La Cruz. And put it back, bingo, Cabildo! May magnanakaw ng ball. Napakainit yung kanilang tagpo for this last and the final quarter. A quick combination. Lumigas, basketball count for 2 points. Mondragon, the big boy. Good for number 2, Pirares. The jumper for 2 points. Apat na puntos yung nilalamang lamang ng mga taga-barangay po ng Lukbuan. Outside jumper, De La Cruz. Bang! 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 3 points! At ang dahil lack of shooting, 2 free throws yung gagawin. Ditong numero 2, Ferreras at the line of first free throw, good for 1. Itong Ferreras, abay nag-turbo boost dito sa ating 40 na final quarter. Last na final free throw by Ferreras, good for 2 points from the free throw line. Salvacion, shot clock is running down at 16. May tahan na bola, De La Cruz going to the corner. Basketball count again from Cabildo number 61. Dahil lack of shooting, pa-deliver na sa goal mga kaibigan, 2 free throws ang ibibigay. First free throw by Valderrama number 15 to go for this ball game. Score 48 against 50. 2 puntos na naman po yung pag-abati ng mga taga-Lukbuan laban sa team ng mga taga-Barangay Manalo. And a jumper, kumuha ng pwesto. Bingo! Cabildo! Cabildo na to. 38 seconds remaining time. Shot clock down to 5. Isad, galing naman on! Bang! Mukhang madadali naman mga kaibigan. Shot clock down to 7. 4 na segundo sa ating shot clock. Inside jumper for 2 points. Overcooked!